All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's Julio Franco, and this is video number 2 with All-in-One. Okay, and this is my video series of my $100 challenge. Okay, we're gonna check in my back office how much I've generated. Okay, I'm not getting rich. I'm gonna be honest. Okay, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, a little income disclaimer. Okay, this is not a come and push button. A lot of people, they think they're just gonna come into the internet, they're gonna find a magical push button, and they're gonna become rich. Doesn't work like that. Okay, you gotta put time and effort, guys, just like everything in life. But the results right here, they're awesome. Why? Because the sales page, okay, it does all the selling for us. It's pretty cool, pretty amazing. Check it out. Okay, like I said, welcome back, Julio Franco, once again. And do me a favor, okay? If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, okay? Like it, like my video. Go ahead and smash that bell so you'll be notified every time I come out with new content, okay? You'll be one of the first ones to get notified. And also subscribe to my channel, guys. I appreciate you so much, okay? So, guys, this is video like number 2, like I said, okay? This is a series of video about all-in-one, okay? Now, if you're new to this and you're like, okay, what's all-in-one? What's HBA? Okay, HBA is the business. It's Home Business Academy. That's the name. Okay. Now the product is called All-in-One. Okay, All-in-One is only $25. Now on the first video, you kind of see I kind of went through everything on the sales page. I don't know if we checked out the bonuses or not. Okay. But if we didn't, you can kind of go ahead and check that out yourself on the page. Now, do remember, okay, the company give you a lot of bonuses. But if you decide to take action today, okay, watching this video today, because I'm gonna put a timer on my special bonus. If you decide to take action today on my bonus page, you're gonna have access to some of the bonuses that I have, okay, and they're just not like just regular bonus. They're bonuses from big name creators like Brendan Mace and so many others, Jonah Armstrong. So do that. Do keep that in mind, okay? And another thing, once you do decide to take action and get started with me, you're gonna get added to my rotator, okay? I do email blast to almost 40,000 emails, and on top of that, I do have a Naweber account and a GetResponse account, and I got about 3,000 leads in those emails as well. Okay, so keep that in mind, guys. And anything you need help with, you're gonna have me just a text or a message away. You're gonna have access to my Facebook, and you're also gonna be added to the Facebook group as well. Okay, so there's a lot of value. For $25, you get everything here that we're seeing on the sales page, and on top of that, you get my help and you get my bonuses. All right, guys, I do apologize. So you might be thinking, okay, Julio, you're giving a lot of bonuses, they're giving a lot of bonuses, but what is this? What's HBA? What's all-in-one? All right, all-in-one, it's a platform, okay? It's a funnel builder, okay? For you to be able to grow a business on these days on the internet, even offline, brick and mortar, okay? You need to have presence online, so that way you can drive traffic into your brick and mortar business on your online business, okay? So how do you do that? I don't know if you noticed or not, but I've been to Target. I've been to like a clothing store, Dillard's, whichever, Have you noticed that when you go in there, they ask you for your email? And then you're like, well, why do you want my email? Oh, we just want to go ahead and send you some promotions, this and that. Okay, think about it. That's a catch. Why? Because they do. They want to send you specials, promotions. Why? Because they want you to come back in there, or they want you to get on your phone to do a little more shopping. And check this out. They'll get you like this. They'll say, hurry up and buy because time expires. This coupon expires, and you're like, man, I don't want those $20 to go to waste. I'm going to go and spend them. I got a coupon. That's why. Okay. The same concept here. You need just two simple tools. I've always said that, okay? To grow an online business and a brick and mortar business, you just need two simple tools. You need a funnel building, which is number one, funnel building. And number two, it's a autoresponder. Why you want to capture those leads, you want to capture those emails. And this is what all-in-one is. It's a funnel builder. It's a you build capture pages, landing pages, sales pages, opt-in pages. I mean, so much stuff. And you're like, well, I don't want to do that. I just want to make money online. Cool. All right. You can get started, become an affiliate, and you can start promoting this as well. Okay. You get 80% commissions by promoting this. I know there's a lot of people that they're not building nothing out of this because they're using other funnel buildings. Okay, I'm not gonna mention, but there's several of them up there, and one of them is funnels. Okay, and I mean, whoever, this is for whatever. If you like that other business, that's awesome. If you like that other business, that's awesome. You know, but there's a lot of people that can afford, $100 or $200 a month, just for a funnel builder. This is only $25. And on top of that, you make 80% commissions. So there's other people that are building, they got other funnel builders, but they're promoting this because they're just making money. That's what I'm trying to say. So if you're just here, just trying to make money, this is a good business for you to promote and make money. Why? Let me tell you why. Because you get residual income. So if you sign up 5 people today, you're already $80 in the win. Let me tell you why. Okay, you're paying $20 a month for your membership. You bring 5 people in. Okay, one person covers your membership. The other 4, you're pocketing $80. The next week you bring 5 more people. Then the next week you bring 5 more people, and it starts adding up. It starts compounding, and then next thing you know, every month you're getting a big fat check. Simple. Okay, $25. It doesn't make or break anyone, and it's $1 a month. I think it's like 84 cents per day, guys. Pretty cool. But anyways, if you want to go ahead and take action, go ahead and take action. Then message me, say, hey, I sign up underneath you. Where can I get my bonuses? And I'll send them to you. Okay, let's go ahead and check out that. That's one of my pages. Let's check out the landing page real quick, or my back office. Where did it go? Okay, give me just 1 second. All right, as you can see, we're here in my HBA members area. We're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, Funnel Builder Academy. Go ahead and log up over here. Okay, very crucial. The first thing you want to do once you get started, okay, this is very, very crucial. If you're serious about making money online and getting started, okay, but you don't know where to start, I told you, you need 2 simple tools, a funnel builder and a autoresponder. You can go ahead and get this one right here. And the first thing you got to do, go to become an affiliate. Okay. You hit right here where it says affiliate zone and grab your link. Okay. You're going to have to, I'm already set up. Okay. So once you hit affiliate, you're going to come over here. Skip that. Getting started. Okay. Go ahead. Sign up for our affiliate program right here. Okay. Check out these videos. Once you do that, you send that link. Okay. And it's going to be something like this, but with your own unique, right here, ID. Okay. This is mine. Yours is going to be something different, but I want your link that it says all-in-one 25 like this. Okay. Yours is going to have something different right here. Okay. But once you log in, your back office is going to be like this. Now, as you can see, I've made $212. Okay. And I'm getting this residual. Okay. Now it's not a lot. I'm not getting rich off of this, but it's helping me out, to pay a bill here, pay a bill there. And eventually this will start growing more and more and more and more. I know people that started been in this business for like year, 2 years, and they're making 20, 30, 40, thousands a month. So it's a good lucrative business. Okay, you can start as a side hustle, and then once you start creating good income, you can replace your 9 to 5 or whatever you want to do, you know. So guys, okay, this is like I said, keep in mind, this is not a get rich quick. Okay, I haven't really promoted this enough like I should. As you can see, this is my only second video. But yeah, this is gonna be your back office with your own unique link. Okay, so and we'll get more into depth into that. So where'd it go? Right here. Okay. But the main thing is go ahead and get your link and then come back over here, the HBA Funnel Builder Academy, which is this right here. Start here. Okay. Watch this video. And then once you watch this video, okay, join our private community group right here. Yep. And then once you do that, start your 3 simple steps. Okay. Watch that video. 3 simple steps. And after you do that, okay, when you finish watching 3 simple steps, go right here where it says buying and integrating your custom domain, business email and domain, autoresponder integration, and then start going through here, creating your funnel and all that kind of stuff. Okay, you're gonna have access to all of this. Okay, these are all videos. So if it's your first time, don't be scared. Don't be like, oh, I don't know what to do. If you take everything in order, okay? If you take everything in order, you're going to learn it. You're going to implement. You're going to become an expert, okay? It takes time for everything. Trust me. When I started just like you, just like everyone. I didn't know nothing about building funnel pages, integrating autoresponders, how to do videos like I'm doing. Did you see how I froze? That's how I was when I first started. I was kind of like petrified. I'm like, ugh. It's normal. But you have to show your face. People got to see who they're interacting, okay? Like me. I want you to become a HBA, partner. That's why I'm showing my face, because I want you to do business with me, okay? And not only that, because you're going to have my help. Okay, if you're like, hey, Julio, I don't understand this. Can you help me? What do I do? I'm stuck. Boom. I'll send you a little small video how you can do it, how because that's what's all about, It's about helping others. I'm here to serve. I'm here to help. Okay. Not only that, you're going to grow. I'm going to grow. You're going to get my tips. You're going to get their tips, because they got an awesome community where people come in there and share what they're working, what they're implementing, and it's working, and they're making sales, they're making commissions. So guys, like I said, we'll get into that. First things first, like I said, if you decide to take action, do those steps. I've shown you right here, the front of your dashboard. I've shown you my income. I'm not, like I said, I'm not rich. I don't work a 9 to 5. I'll tell you my story a little bit before we get off in like 2 minutes. I never really told this, but I don't work a 9 to 5. I work more than a 9 to 5. You want to know why? Because I own my own business. I escaped away from the 9 to 5. I escaped away from clocking in and out. I hated that, I was like, I hate the fact of me making somebody else's pocket. I hated the fact, having to wait in traffic, having to, it was devastating for me to, get enough at work at 5. By the time I was arriving at home, it was like, 6:45, 7, almost an hour and 30 minutes in traffic. It sucked. So I was like, I wanted my own business. So I did. I own my own business. But now I don't work 9 to 5. Now I have to work more hours. I have to be there earlier, and I have to get off later, make sure everything is in order. And I have to be there, because if I'm not there, the business doesn't run. So it's good, but it sucks, And that's why I'm doing this on the side. I'm not rich. I'm just a normal person just like you, trying to make a better life, trying to make a better living. As a matter of fact, you know what I want? A better quality of life. I want time and freedom just like you. Okay? And we're both going to gain that here. Okay? But it all starts with one simple step. You're going to hear me say this here and every time you see me. Okay? In my post and my Instagram and all that kind of stuff. I always tell people ask me, how do you get results? How do you do it? Simple. You know, you just gotta start. Take action. Rule number 1 in life, okay? If you wanna have or become successful in anything you do in life, rule number 1, you gotta take action and get started. Simple. Because if you don't take action, you will never start. Simple. That's it. Guys, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. And follow me tomorrow for day number 3. Yep, day number 3. Thank you. Thank you so much, okay? Don't forget to go ahead and give me a thumbs up, smash the bell, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, thank you so much. And I'll see you on tomorrow's video. Until then, Julio Franco with Creating Passive Income. Peace.